Hello everyone and welcome to the introductory video for the course BCOS 183 Computer Applications in Business. To start with, let's discuss some of the objectives. To familiarize the students with the applications of computer in business is going to be the first objective. We will understand what are the different applications of computer, and especially what are the applications of computer in business and the business decision making process. So we will understand how computer facilitates the business decision making. The course is distributed over 5 blocks and there are a total of 20 units. So these are the main 5 blocks, which are first block is fundamentals of computers, second is data handling, third is word processing, fourth is PowerPoint presentation and multimedia, and then we have fifth block, which is spreadsheet and business applications. So let's come to first block, which is the fundamentals of computers. So this block will familiarize you about the basic concept of computers and the basic knowledge of computers. कि उनके कितने types होते हैं, क्या-क्या different parts होते हैं, what are the different generations, and what are the different applications of computers in the various functions of organizations such as online business, trade, e-commerce, and basically in society what are the different applications of the computer. There are 4 units: introduction to computer, unit 2 is applications of computers, unit 3 is web applications, and unit 4 is basics of computer softwares. Then we have second block, which is data handling, and this block focuses on the usability of computers for handling available data, how the data is handled with the help of computer, and how information is extracted from that data. So this block familiarizes the learners with the various data handling techniques, services, and the security measures and their applications in the business. So there are 4 units. Unit 5, which is business information system. Unit 6, which is IT measures in business. Unit 7, which is internet services and email configuration. And unit 8, which is plastic money, e-wallet, and online pay. Coming to the third block, which is word processing. This block will brief us about the word processing and the applicability in business operations. We will understand word processing hota kya hai, and then we will walk our way through to advanced tools that are used for word processing. There are 4 units. Unit 9 is basics of word processing. Unit 10 is working with word processing. And unit 10 is advanced tools used for word processing. And then we have unit 12, which is creating business documentations, in which we will use all the previous, we will use the tools that we have learned in the previous units to create business documents. Then we have fourth block, which is the PowerPoint presentation and multimedia. इस ब्लॉग में हम PowerPoint applications के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, and we will also understand how multimedia can be inserted in PowerPoints. Multimedia is such as text, audio, video, animation. How can we insert that in our PowerPoint presentation? We will also have a discussion about YouTube and video making and creating business presentations. There are 3 units concerned. Unit 13 is working with PowerPoint. Unit 14 is multimedia, video making, and YouTube. Unit 15 is creating business presentations. Next, and the last and the most important block is spreadsheet and business applications. So this will familiarize us with the various formulas, function, and advanced options available in computers and their applications in the business. This block will revolve around spreadsheets. In unit 16, which is spreadsheet concept, we will learn about the basic concept of spreadsheet, and we'll be using MS Excel. And in unit 17, we will be understanding what are the different formulas and functions available in MS Excel. And then we have unit 18, which is graphical presentation of data, and unit 19, advanced options in spreadsheet, and in unit 20, creating business spreadsheets with the help of all the tools that we have learned in the previous units. That was it about the introduction. I hope you understand well. Thank you all.